Today I'm going to show you how you can clean your guitar, whether it may be acoustic, it may be classical, it may be electrical or anything else. I'm going to show you how to clean your guitar's body along with your fretboard and the shiny part here. Naturally our hands contain natural oil which comes out of skin, and we always play with the fretboard and the fretboard gets oily. As you can see, this fretboard is not clean at all. This is not shiny. This part is not also shiny. I have put off the strings from the guitar. As you can see, strings are here. I have not put it off completely because you don't need to put the strings completely out for cleaning purpose only. If you can put it off like this is enough for you because you can get all the excess here. So today I will be using a metal polish, as you can see here. For the wooden parts we'll be using a different polish. The process of using metal polish is pretty much simple. You take the metal polish and put it on a tissue like this. See, it's pretty enough. I need more. So let me take a fresh side now. See? See, 2 frets. Okay guys, now let me show you the difference after cleaning. As you can see, this is a furniture cleaner and it's compatible with wood. So basically after spraying, you need to take a cloth to clean this place. We're done with the fretboard. See, it's shining. So now we will apply the spray over the body, the shiny parts. Take a piece of cloth, hold it like this. There's no wrinkles. Now wipe it. Let me show you the difference. You can see this is shining like new. There's no spot, not a single spot on the body.